Okay, good evening, guys, and uh, I just wanted to try to make this video short, but I was looking forward to share it on Instagram and some of the short reel and pass on this news, like this analysis I have seen. This is a record that I'm making, like for me in the future, if the moves happens, if something happens with what I'm thinking and what I'm going to share with you guys. If something happens, I want you guys to this video will be a reminder to remind myself that I saw this. I saw this. Like it's a big shot, guys. I don't know. It's kind of like, yeah. I'm kind of like in this situation, in my position. Like now, I'm talking to a 2 years old trader who's from scratch being built, but I've built something I believe will be, and if I can teach the next person, will make something big. And my strategy is it's something I don't know, but yeah, my strategies, I kind of find myself in a position of really understanding the market. We all know that the market always, sometimes it always crushes people, like I am, I'm trying to say to you all guys, I think I have mastered, I have understood where the market is going for this year. I know this video is going to be long, but yeah, yeah, I got something big, guys, on the US dollars, the US dollar pair, or the US dollar pair basis, the basis of the all US dollar. I'm talking about Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, silver, all AUD USD, everything with the base of a US dollar. I got something big to share with you guys. I don't know, but I feel like, not, we don't use feelings in the market, but I'm trying to say, I reached a stage. I found something big on on the US dollar, and maybe I want you guys, for those who can find this video first, and maybe see it first. I was looking at this pairs. I only focus on the US dollars, on the US pairs, the US dollar basis, but I was looking at this and checking on these trades. Yeah, I'm 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 just touched with those. I saw there is going to be a huge crash. It might be not a crash, but it is a fall that I saw. Like, remember, all of our guys, all of many people were shocked by the move of gold and silver, and I don't know. There's the third one, but yeah, I just focus on those mainly. But I want you guys to look. We know the other pairs move slowly and they don't have high volatility, but I want you guys to look at these pairs overally, in the, let's say, right, in this, yeah, let's say in the monthly time pass. I want you guys to go and analyze something on these pairs, and what I believe is going to be it's a big game. We're in a big game. We're in a big zone, and yeah, I believe it might come to a point that all the US dollars might crash. It might not be now, or by the future coming year, or when time moves. It might, it might, it won't, it might not crash what I'm thinking, but I think the market is reached, the US dollar is reached to a point that it has to crash. As you can see, I have mastered how to analyze it. I'm in the weekly time frame now, but I can see in the monthly or the 3 months, maybe in a higher time frame, looking at this structure. And what you can see now is the market is sort of making a consolidation area, but again, if we are looking at the bigger picture, the market is going down. Why am I saying so? The market is going down. Let me just mark these points. I think the market is going down. It's like this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now for this move to come. So this is what I say. I'm using a phone. Maybe I might create a new video representing you guys a much better picture on my laptop. But for now, I think like I have to share. This is in Africa and Zimbabwe. This is the time frame. We're at 2:08. Yeah, 20 minutes to 8 midnight p.m. Yeah, but what I'm going to share here, guys, like I saw with the market going down in the weekly time frame. As you can look closely. I know it might be something crazy, and the market always does something new, and we have to learn. We have to adjust every time. But in my days of learning, I've noticed something like the market always moves in the zigzag. Every trader knows that, and everyone teaches you that. Even if you are a new trader, they always tell you like the market has to move in a zigzag formation. If it's higher, high, higher, low, higher, 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 low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, whatever way it's going, the market moves in a zigzag formation. So now I think the US dollar is reached its breaking point for it to fall down. Yeah, it might be not today. I know that it might be not today, or it might be some coming days, coming months. Oh yeah, but I believe the market is going to crash. It's going to fall down, or it's going. I don't know what it's going to do, but we have to sell the US pair. Let's say I go down to this one is GU, GBP, USD. We go to NZD, USD. Again, look at the structure again. We want to look at the bigger picture. We look at the bigger picture, right? We have this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this clearly. I want you guys to look at this clearly. Like we have this high. This starts low, high, get a low, high. This low I usually use the weak as the high since the market reached that point, but here we look like it didn't break. It didn't even break. Didn't break. So it has to break this point, right? Now it's nearly on NZD USD. It's nearly at the breaking point for it to continue the sales. And if you look closely, like some of you might say, like, yeah, it was selling, but it did something. Maybe some of you guys entered here and say like, the market reversed. We were waiting for this profit. No, well, you were waiting for this low to be hit. Yes. All of us are waiting for that. And look, it's kind of like it's reversing. It only needs a heart and patience, guys. We know, yeah, the market is rough sometimes. Look at this, how close what is on TP, but it just kind of like reversed up. But again, I want you to look at this formation now, bro. Before you say you either close this trade if you're in it, I want you to look at this leg. Look at this leg, this pillar of the leg. The market just reversed, sweeping liquidity here and just touching this area of interest and falling down back. You see, it's something. It's sort of a sign, like the market is going somewhere. It's going to do big, and we go on. We get out of NZT USD. We go on gold. Yeah, all of us know that the market, if what goes up has to come down. The market was in a bullish trend, and yeah, it went up. But here on gold, on the weekly base, we are looking at a straightforward like this move. This is my move. This is what I see. I see the market doing this kind of shit. This is what happened. Why am I counting like this one, this small move, like that high, this high, and it's low here? Why is it? Why am I saying like those are the main major moves? I'm saying that because I count at least two candles with a much more reasonable size of candles. I can say like Now this one is this is a structure. So we got three. The other one is a small one, a black small one. Yeah, we saw that. And those other one, they were just continuation for the break. Like, some people might mark this one as a like there was a high and low, high and low. Yeah, some, but for me, I don't count them. But look at this for CRT traders. Yeah, they eat profit on this one. I'm happy for them, and yeah, they expected the sale like this. I don't know if they entered, but look at something. I want the market to like kind of like reverse. I want it to reverse. If yeah, if the US dollar is not going to sell for long, because it has the base, it has something to make it pull back up again. But I'm expecting the market to go back to this zone here, this support or break. It might like tape or went back up again. That's what I'm expecting. Here it didn't do that. You see, in the 4 hours time frame, I was talking to my friend, asking like, actually, how deep do you think like gold can fall from its position? For those traders, I was analyzing. I can't make this video any longer because yeah, I'm doing it on a phone, but I will make a second video for me explaining when I have time. This is big. This is a long video, and for someone new as me, most of you guys might not know or have time to watch this. But if you have the time to watch this is something I want to share with you guys. I want you guys to look at the US dollar pairs, the US dollar basis, or the US dollar pair basis. They are going to sell, and yeah, I know some of yeah I'm still new, something I'm explaining to you guys. Some of you have knowledge much more better than me, and my experience, and might see something like, nah, you won't sell, but I see sales on the US dollar pairs. It's only a matter of time when I'm proven correct, and I'm just waiting for that time. Okay, look at gold. I said this one is going, we'll go again on USD. Yeah, the AUD USD. We'll go back to the weekly. Sorry. uh, this is the weekly time frame. Look at something. Look at this, guys. Look what's happening to this I don't know what do we call it. This market is so fucked up. Really. Look, high, this is low, high here, a low, high, and it's supposed to break this low, or maybe it's swept liquidity on this low for it to go up. But okay, don't get confused in here. We know in the lower time frame, this is the only thing you need to look at. Like now, this and this is the only picture you need to see here, cause anything in this area, if it didn't break to the upside on this zone, it's not considered a buy, but we are rather in as correction for sale to come. So yeah, anything inside that zone, we are looking for sales in that time frame. Okay, we go down again to USD CAD. Now, not the USD CAD, Euro USD. We go in the weekly time frame again. We can see the same structure again, guys. Look at this. Look, guys. I think this is history, guys. This is history. This is something big. I've noticed something big, and now I feel like I need to share with you guys. Okay, this is just a move. Yeah, it seems like this one is the move, and this one is a correction. It doesn't have to go and break this area, but it's just correcting so that it can just pull down, just like that. It is to just pull down. I don't believe the market just like go big up there. It might. That's a shift for me. That's a shift. I will start buying. Maybe I might take years buying in a buy order, but for now I'm trying to look for an entry so that I can sell like Maybe I might hold it for the whole year, depending on how fast did it move, how the sale worked out, how did it do. I might hold it for the whole year, and this might be history. I don't know when, but I'm going to make sure I'll show you the account that I'm going to start with and sell this shit to, I don't know, whatever. We go down to the Bitcoin. We go to Bitcoin. Okay. Right, on Bitcoin, there's something tricky here, but I was just like, okay, the market was like, here it's what liquidity, right? This one is a liquidity. So, well, whatever makes them whatever. Okay, yes, they will like, yeah. I have the structure. This one's a high. This one's a low. This one is a high here. I might in my other videos I might explain you why am I saying that it's a high, why am I not counting this. If we go in the higher time frame, we might see this move only, this short move I'm talking about, and that's why. Okay, on this one, say like this is okay, this is a high and low. Okay, this is high and low. No, I'm trying to. Okay, this is. I'm trying to expect the market to like reverse and stay down. The market is shifted. The market on Bitcoin is shifted. It might just come back and break this liquidity point here for the higher time frames and push back up. I'm just explaining. So in short, you see like the market is to go back down for it to push up again. That's what I'm seeing on the US dollar. So this is going to be a sell for I don't know. Yes, it might not come, but I just felt like I need to share with you guys um my thoughts. And I would love actually like everybody, all traders that have seen this big move might just maybe comment on this video. Just comment and share your ideas, guys. Try to analyze the market, the US dollar markets on a higher time frame, like on a monthly basis, on a 3 monthly basis, maybe a year, but a year doesn't. Yeah, we don't work with it. Don't work with the year, okay? But try to make it 3 months or 3 months, 1 month, and weekly. Try to analyze where the US dollar pair is going and what we'll do. I would love to share. I would love to know with you guys and share more ideas and know how to approach every US dollar best pairs. So yeah, this is what I'm feeling like. I know and I believe in my strategy. As much as I believe in my strategy, I know the market will fall down. The US dollar pair will go down to all my levels, all my TPs, and I'm going to deposit. I don't know how much, but I'm ranging from 1k, yeah, above 1k. I'm going to make that money. I'm going to make that shit for real. I'm going to prove this video something worth it to watch. Yeah, that's for it for now, but I will make sure I will make a second video explaining you guys what's happening and what's going on. And I promise you guys, when I deposit, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to like I'm not that strong on my emotions, but I'm trying to like make sure when I deposit that account I'm going just to leave it. I'm going to leave it, and I won't touch it till, let's say, every month I have to go back and check how it's moving on that account. Or maybe I'll be checking all every time, but without me looking on the market on my account, on that account, I might just close the account. till the period I will mention, like I'll going to open and close that account and accept the profits or losses on that account. So yeah, that's it for now. I would love guys to for you guys to like listen, just listen. For these ones I'm not yet that popular that you might know me. I'm not that, yeah, that level, but I want to make something. I want to make you. I want your ideas too. I want everything. I want everyone to look at this. I want, like, for those who are the other people who watch news and do fundamentals, everything. I want your ideas on this one. There's something big I'm seeing. I'm seeing something big, a big sell. It might be a big history, big something, a big move. We might all get to another level.